Hello students, good morning all of you and welcome back our online class Science 6th standard. Students, today we are going to continue our second chapter, that is the components of food. Already you have completed our chapter, so today we are just will revision once we will recall that whatever we have studied in the previous videos. Okay, and also today specially we will discuss about that what are the two web charts I have drawn that on the board. We will discuss. Okay, and also it is in your textbook last exercise part, you have to complete that. Students, already I have told the food contains different components like nutrients. Okay, what are that? Especially I will remind you. One is carbohydrates, second one is fats, third one is proteins, fourth one is vitamins, next minerals, next raw phase, and that is special fibers or water. So carbohydrates is called as energy giving food. Yes, carbohydrates is called as a energy giving food, and also fats also called as also energy giving food. But if we compare that carbohydrates and fats is giving more energy than the carbohydrates. Okay, if you will see that if you like milk, fats, meat, that all that more things whatever we are eating, that liver, fish, that oil foods like that, we will get that more cheese, paneer, these are the specially will give that what fats. But carbohydrates just like sugar, jaggery, if you will say that what wheat, rice, potato, these are the carbohydrates food. But if you will take that such foods, we will get the energy, but not if you compare that fats, we will get that more energy in the fats. So specially it gives energy to us. That means whenever we want to do work, that for we will get that specially this type of food if you take, then we will get that much energy. Okay, so now students we will discuss about that. What is that protein? Protein is called as what is that? Body building food. Third one, nutrients we are getting from the food, which is generally called as a body building food. If suppose our growth, reproduction, and if you injure that, it will all recover by this food. Okay, this is specially called as a protective food and body building food. If you take that just generally milky, meaty, and this type of food if you take, then we will get that more proteins, and this protein helps to us our body buildings. So that means it will be the growth be accurately, it will be improved, and our if injured part it will be recover. Okay, so it helps further especially our body growth and a body building purpose. Okay, so now students, this third one over, now fourth one we will discuss about that vitamins, and fifth one is minerals. This vitamin and minerals generally we should say that what is that? Protective food. Okay, that means it protect from the different disease. Okay, from the different disease, it is protected to our body from the different diseases. Generally if you suppose nowadays if you will suffer suppose cold, fever, any disease if you are facing, suppose if you are facing anemia, you are beriberi, scurvy, rickets, osteomalacia, so different types of diseases are there due to the deficiency of a vitamin or due to the deficiency of some minerals. That only we are facing some number of diseases. Okay, so that means if we will take the such foods, so those are very rich vitamins are there, so all the types of vitamins are there, that foods it is protected to us from the such diseases. Okay, so for example if you are a deficiency of vitamin D, rickets you will face. Okay, so if you are deficiency of vitamin A, then blindness you will be, that vision, if you are facing that vitamin A, what will be? Night blindness you will face, that such disease. If iron, suppose one mineral like iron, that iron if deficiency of iron, then you will face that anemia, that is the lack of blood. So different vitamins and minerals if we need that every day in our diet. Okay, so what are that vitamins? Already I have told vitamins are different types: vitamin A, B, C, D, E, and K. So these are the different types of vitamin, and already I have discussed in that one chart which vitamins from where we are getting. Okay, next we will go for the minerals. Mineral also called as protective food, and generally calcium, phosphorus, potassium, sodium, iron, yes, iodized, this iron, these are generally called as what is that, minerals, and this also helping for us to protect to our body from the different disease. For example, calcium, due to the deficiency of calcium we will face the bone and teeth, gums and some problems, yes, decay of the teeth, yes, bone weakness, bow bones, like that, some disease we will face. Okay students, so these are specially about that what is that, it is called as also protective food. And next one is roughage or that fibers and water. These are no nutrients value, but it is very essential. Students, you know that water is it help for that digestion, it help for the movement of that our food substances in our body. All nutrients are movement from one place to another through that, by the water, that all waste products whatever coming from our body, it is coming out as a urine and what is the sweat. So these are the main functions by the water. Okay students, so these are all the nutrients what we are getting from the foods. So let us discuss about that. What are the obesites? Obesites means, students, you know that it is the excess eating foods. Those person eating that what excess foods, they will face that obesity disease. And especially if the proteins and carbohydrates like the foods, if you will deficiency of that, we will say face that some marasms and kwashiorkors, some diseases. And already we have discussed some different special some diseases in that contents. But students, today we are going to discuss about that specially what is that food groups. Already I have told that food groups generally three types. One is energy giving food, bodybuilding food, protective food. And energy giving food is that is the carbohydrates, and we are getting the sources of sugar and potato. Yes, so same like bodybuilding food, we are getting the nutrients from the proteins, and these proteins especially milk and meat sources we are getting are rich in protein. And protective foods generally called as vitamins and minerals, and that we are getting from the green vegetables, carrot, milk and some different fruits. Okay, these are we are getting that what vitamins are, those are called as protective foods. So all over whatever foods we are eating, that generally classified or grouped as three groups. One is bodybuilding or that is energy giving food. This is energy giving food and bodybuilding food, and another one is protective food. Okay students, so now we will discuss about that deficiency of some table it is given, and diseases and its nutrients and where we are getting. Some more are there, but only three in according to your chart I have written here. You have to understand scurvy, vitamin C, and citrus food, tomato sprouts. That means scurvy, especially if you have seen that in our skin problems, our gums bleeding is there, and so due to that scurvy, that vitamin deficiency of vitamin C. जब तुम vitamin C कमी हो जाएगा, तुमको scurvy हो जाएगा. Where you should get that such nutrients? You will get that sources citrus food. Citrus food मतलब orange, lemon, like that. जो that four types of taste is there. That food will get that vitamin C, and especially tomato and sprouts. Okay. Next anemia. Anemia is that what deficiency of iron. If you will, it is created that iron helps for that creating that hemoglobin, red blood cells. So due to the lack of iron, we will face that one disease that is called as anemia. Okay, and where you will get that sources that iron? Meat, liver, yeast and milk. If you will eggs, if you will take, then you will get that plenty of iron, which one helps for the our what is that, to making the blood, red blood corpuscles. And next is the another rickets. Rickets is the vitamin D, and where we will get sunlight, milk, fish and eggs. So vitamin D generally, if deficiency of vitamin D, then the small children, those who have, they will face that rickets. If those who are adult, they will face osteomalacia, the another one disease for the adult. Okay, but where you should get that sources, where you will get that vitamin D, will get from the sunlight, milk, fish and eggs. So this nutrients we will get from sources from the different foods. So students, so daily in our diet we have to get that all types of nutrients. Okay, that is why generally called as a balanced diet. Okay, thank you all of you students. It has completed your chapter. So I will send that your exercise part, and you have to complete that your exercise part, question answer, fill in the blanks. all the things. Okay, next we will start that our Zoom meet class, then we will conduct one online test. Thank you all of you. Have a nice day. You must take care.